Hello friends, this is a home decor channel and today we are bringing you amazing and stunning ideas of DIYs for fall, and they are easy to make and you can make them with stuff available at your home. These ideas are just cozy, warm, and romantic and beautiful in nature. They are funny too, and these DIYs are very easy to make with all the material available at your home. And we try to bring the ideas which are very simple and which can be made with jute, ropes, available flowers, papers, and these ideas of decorating the front door and making wreaths of different styles with some amazing frames, and they can be made with dried flowers, twigs, straws, cones, and ropes and jutes, and the stuff available in the harvest season like pine cones and the flowers, the dried leaves, they all can be part of this beautiful stuff, and they can be part of your beautiful and cozy home. There is a variety of ideas, and they are not only limited to the decor of your front door. These can be used to decorate your walls, and they can be made with the used material, with some fabric at home, with used bottles, jars, and crystal jars, and bunches of flowers, crosses, or dried leaves, and they're just amazing. And there are some flowers and fresh flowers used, and there we too have brought some ideas in which we have used dried flowers and dried leaves, and these leaves can be made with paper, and they can be collected from nature and can be used inside your home, and you can build this beautiful lighthouse too, and these cones can be colored in amazing colors, and fairy lights can be added to this beautiful and simple decor. And these ideas are just DIYs, and they can be done in minimal time with less effort, and they are just amazing, making your home a beautiful place to live, love, and flourish in fall. And the mason jar ideas are definitely amazing, and you can use some LED lights inside them to make your home look dreamy, and the maple leaves in burnt orange color, and different colors of flowers collected from the nature and dried and painted give a different and amazing glow to your home in winters. A number of DIY lights can be added. They can be hanging lights, or the lights made for your central table, or the lights made for your mantelpieces. They are just amazing, and they are simple and easy. There are ideas for arranging and beautifying your shelves And there too you can use mason jars, simple lights, and DIY pumpkins. They can be used with the fabric available at your home. Simple baskets, simple candles can be added to this beautiful arrangement. And the entryways of your home, the tables of your home, they can be decorated with all the available stuff at your home, and with very less work and energy you can make these ideas at your home. And they are made of the recyclable material, and you can recycle it. And you can DIY your messages, and you can write them on the frame. And you can use simple yarn to make beautiful garlands. And you can use pine cones, and you can decorate them in a multitude of ideas. And you can color them, and you can collage them, and you can make turrets. And even the dried leaves can be painted in amazing styles, that you can put them in the wall, or you can place them in the vases. And you can use the wires available at your home to make DIY pumpkins that give an amazing look to your home. And you can place some amazing candles inside those pumpkins. And the pine cones